All right, now the floor install begins, guys. Mosaic. We're gonna run a border all the way around this entire bathroom with this ceramic here. We're gonna miter at all corners. Detra's in, everything is waterproofed. We're gonna snap everything with a imitate. And for our miters, we're gonna use this small little rigid 8-inch for our clean cuts, our miter cuts. We have everything protected as well. Good saw, extremely loud. We call it the screamer. So let's get on with it. Install this floor. Here we go. So we're currently dry fitting right now. Starting with the miter there, miter here. We want the grate to be centered of a tile, symmetrical. Here's the grate that we're going to use via Schluter, powder coated matte white. So we simply cut this out so that it is nice and centered like that. Alright guys, technically this is day 2 on tile. We have some shower tile up, shower pan is installed, and we have the bulk of the floor completed. Today is Martin Luther King, it's a holiday. We're gonna knock out at least 3 or 4 hours of the day to get some work done and then enjoy the rest of the day off. So, finalize this floor, the border, and get some tile on this back wall as well. Here we go.